To receive money on Venmo without a bank account, there are several methods you can use. First, you can keep the money in your Venmo balance. Simply sign up for Venmo, download the app, and create a new account. Once you've done this, you can receive money directly to your Venmo balance, which can then be used to pay other Venmo users or make purchases from merchants that accept Venmo. To enable Venmo balance usage, go to the settings, select payment method, and activate the option to enable Venmo balance. Another method is to use a Venmo debit card, which can be ordered from the settings menu. To do this, go to the settings, select Venmo debit card, and follow the steps to apply for the card. Once you have the card, you can use it to make purchases anywhere that accepts it, as well as to withdraw cash from ATMs, although be aware that fees may apply. A third method is to link a prepaid debit card to your Venmo account, which can add flexibility to your transactions. To add a prepaid card, go to the settings, select payment method, and click on Add Bank or Card. Then select Add Debit Card and enter your prepaid card details. Once your card is linked, you can use it with your Venmo account without needing a bank account. These methods allow you to receive money on Venmo without a bank account, providing you with various options to manage your transactions.